Did you know that most top athletes are trained to visualize their goals right before a competition? They see themselves winning the game, running the fastest race, or scoring the winning point. They are trained to picture what they want to happen, instead of what they don't want to happen. When they do this, their chances for success increase dramatically. And this is the power of visualization. And you too can use this technique every day to help you achieve your goals and dreams. Visualization is a simple technique that you can use to create a strong mental image of a future event. With good use of visualization, you can practice in advance for the event, so that you can prepare properly for it. And by visualizing success, you can build the self-confidence you need to perform well. Visualization offers several benefits. Visualizing outcomes that you want can increase your confidence. Seeing yourself succeed helps you believe that it can and will happen. Visualization helps you practice success. When you imagine every step of an event or activity going well, you get your mind and body ready to take those steps in real life. And anyone can benefit from visualization. You don't have to be a life coach or personal development expert to use visualization to achieve your goals. Follow these steps to start visualizing your goals. First, decide what you want. What do you want to focus on? Pick one dream or goal to start visualizing. For example, visualize a successful outcome of the presentation you're going to give next week. 2. Picture the scene. Start imagining the exact scene. Don't be vague or unclear. The more specific you are, the more details you can imagine, and the better the visualization will work for you. Picture the scene as if you were there. What colors are the walls? What are you wearing? Who is in the room with you? Make sure you use all of your senses in the visualization exercise. Sight, sound, taste, smell, touch. Include them all so that you can really bring your vision to life. 3. Imagine each step toward your successful conclusion. What will you have to do to make sure your presentation is successful? Identify each step that you must take place for you to achieve your goals, and start picturing each step as a part of your visualization exercise. And 4. Visualize daily. It's important to be consistent because regular visualization can convince your brain that what you imagine is actually the truth. The more you visualize something, the stronger that vision becomes, and the higher the likelihood that you'll get what you want.